You guys sound rolling in the deep side. Okay. Technical difficulties. So it's rolling deep right up. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch, bringing out the stars. Finally, I can hear your crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me I'll lay your shit bare. See how I feel with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, bring me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us that keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love that leave me breathless, I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hands, but you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one of you and I'll make your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making hometown meals my wrong cliche. The scars of your love reminds me of us that keep me thinking we almost had it all. Rolling in the deep, you have my heart inside your hands, but you play it with the beating. Throw your soul through every open door. Can't you let it seep to find what you look for? Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind as we just what you saw. We could have had it all. We could have had it all. Ooh, yeah. It all, it all, it all. We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your hands. But you played it, you played it, you played it to the beat.